Hi, in this video I will be identifying the principal parts of the compound microscope. Here we have the eyepieces, the revolving nose piece that holds the objective lenses. Here we have 4 objective lenses. Here we have the stage clips, the stage adjustment knobs. Here we have the coarse focus adjustment knob and the fine focus adjustment knob. Close up, we can see the illuminator, the condenser, and the iris diaphragm control. Here we have the arm of the microscope, the base of the microscope, and the on and off switch.